Meaning of evocation.
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 Evocation. Evocation refers to the act of summoning or calling forth a spirit, demon, or some other supernatural entity through ritualistic means. The result of an evocation can vary depending on the purpose of the summoning. It could be used to seek knowledge and guidance from higher beings, or as a form of divination or protection. In some cases, it may lead to possession or negative consequences if not performed correctly. Overall, evocation is a powerful and often dangerous practice used in various forms of magic and spirituality.